KQ is just one of us. You know, when we were down and out, and these guys just told everybody that we're not, just don't give up. You know, just keep playing. I guess we made the necessary stops in the end game, and just gave us an opportunity to really to connect from the outside. But I don't know what happened. You know, I don't know what transpired, but we're so grateful that we get to see another day and get to play another game of championship.
Hindi ko alam yung game 2 curse but then basketball is basketball, di ba? Minsan nananalo, minsan manatalo, importante yung bangon. Alam namin na hindi pa naman tapos yung series, alam namin na we just have to keep our heads up, pag-usapan, prepare, panungin, just to get ready on Sunday.